Let's start at the beginning. You identify your turbine isn't performing the way it should be. Filter differential pressure is spiking, valves are sticking, things are running hot. With the trouble-free operating window closing, now is the time for action. Submit an oil sample to our Fluid Technical Center and let us help you get a handle on the condition of your turbine lube oil or control fluid. Our comprehensive ACE assessment establishes your fluid condition, providing key fluid parameters and overall recommendations to re-establish the fluid quality your application demands. Armed with the data to make informed decisions, it's time to treat your lubricant like the asset it is. Now the real work begins, addressing the fluid chemistry and quality of your turbine lube oil or control fluid. With your ICB filters ready for install, it is important to note our Fluid Technical Center comprehensive analysis and expert support is included until results are confirmed. Before installing the filters, take a pre-install sample to establish the fluid quality baseline. Now it is time to install the ICB filters and begin the restoration phase of purifying and filtering your turbine lube oil or control fluid. Addressing the chemistry in your fluid, the ICB filters remove dissolved breakdown molecules that have formed as part of normal fluid breakdown. By cleaning the oil, ICB filters also restore lubricant solvency. This reverses the varnish formation cycle, removing pre-existing varnish deposits via chemical equilibrium. To proactively manage fluid chemistry during the restoration phase, we recommend a time-based filter change interval. For the first 3 months, change the ICB filters monthly. Time-based filter change during the initial restoration phase is important. An exhausted filter will no longer maintain or improve fluid quality. By changing ICB filters monthly, the purification and filtration process can continue. Before installing new ICB filters, take a fluid sample. The resulting analysis will be compared against the pre-install sample. The trend we want to see is continuous progress in fluid quality with decreasing MPC, patch weight, acid number, as well as many other vital fluid parameters. Hiccups in the trend are data points that indicate your filter change interval may need to be increased to keep the trend line moving in the right direction. After 3 months, in review of the documented trend line, filter change intervals will decline. Fluids back in specification go into maintenance mode, with filter change requirements shifting to every 6 or 12 months, depending on results. Continued sampling and proactive maintenance strategies will ensure shifts in fluid quality can be easily addressed and new filters can be installed in a timely manner. To learn more, visit cleanoil.com. Start today, save tomorrow. EPT Clean Oil. Rethink, remove, restore.